I think you're ready for bed tonight.
No.
No? You're not sleepy? No, don't touch the birdie. Stay sitting. We stay sitting while we're eating. Here. Mac, open it up.
Up there.
Yeah, there's a birdie up there. I see that. Stuck in the window. Is he crashed in there? Hey, tell me something. What happened to Mama's van? What happened to our van?
Guys.
Who hit it?
Yeah. Look.
A deer hit it?
Yeah.
Did you see it?
Yeah.
What did it do?
Run away.
It ran away.
Yeah.
Did it hurt our van?
Yeah.
Crashed it, huh?
That's it.
Yeah.
Day.
The other day. Yeah. That was a bummer. Really sad, huh?
And it's good. Nine.
Mm-hmm.
That's kids coming.
Kids are coming.
Go out here.
Yeah.